Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Today we have Georgia Jones. X.
Georgia Jones. Okay, for those of you who don't know her, okay, very good. For those of you who do know her, okay, I know. All right. So this is a very simple but yet quite effective. See, make the borders of the face, make the eyes, nose, lips, her shoulder, and then the entire 50%, the other 50% is the hair. So for the left hand side, start from the top. This is one part and this is the second part. For the right hand side, that's one part, this is the second part, and that's the third part. See, the trick is here. So see this, as in the upper part of this right hand side of hair is on top of this one. So you have to start from here, this one, you finish at the bottom half, and then at last you have to draw the upper one. So that's how you make it. As for the earring, yeah, it's simple. Just make up your own earring, doesn't matter. It could be a big earring like this. That was Georgia Jones in Quick Drawing Tips. Thank you for watching. Hope you had a great time.
Thank you for watching that video. This video was completely safe for work, so